Welcome back to our Flutter beginner course. In this episode, we're building a beautiful and fully functional calculator app while learning one of Flutter's most important concepts, state management. You'll discover how StatefulWidget, setState, and GridView.builder work together to create interactive applications. By the end of this project, you'll have a modern Material 3 calculator that looks professional, responds instantly, and works beautifully on different screen sizes. Before we start coding, let's take a look at the final application we'll build today. This calculator features a clean Material 3 interface, responsive layout, rounded buttons, live display updates, smooth interactions, and a modern design. Every button performs real calculations in real time, giving users a polished experience. Throughout this lesson, we'll build every section step by step until this premium Flutter application is completely functional. Let's understand the main features of this project before writing any code. We'll create a calculator with number buttons, mathematical operators, decimal support, delete and clear functions, live calculations, and a responsive button grid. Along the way, you'll learn how Flutter manages UI updates using state management, making your applications dynamic, interactive, and much more useful than simple static interfaces. Every professional Flutter application starts with a clean project structure. Organizing your files properly makes your code easier to understand, maintain, and expand in the future. We'll separate widgets, themes, calculator logic, reusable components, and supporting files into meaningful sections. Following a structured architecture not only improves readability, but also prepares you to build larger and more scalable Flutter applications later. Every Flutter application begins with the main function. This function acts as the entry point of your app and calls runapp to launch the widget tree. From there, Material App applies themes, navigation, and application settings before loading our calculator screen. Understanding this startup flow is essential because every Flutter project follows the same process, regardless of how simple or advanced the application becomes. Now let's make our application look modern by using Flutter's Material 3 design system. Instead of relying on default styles, we'll define a custom theme with colors, typography, spacing, and reusable components. A centralized theme data keeps the entire application visually consistent and easier to maintain. This professional approach allows every screen, button, and widget to share the same premium appearance with minimal code duplication. With the theme ready, it's time to design the calculator interface. We'll organize the entire screen using scaffold, safe area, column, and expanded widgets. The display section sits at the top, while the button grid occupies the remaining space below. This clean layout keeps the application balanced, responsive, and easy to understand, ensuring the calculator looks great across different screen sizes and devices. The display screen is where users can clearly see both their mathematical expression and the calculated result. Whenever a button is pressed, this area updates instantly to reflect the latest input. Using proper alignment, spacing, and typography creates a clean reading experience while making the calculator feel modern and professional. A well-designed display is essential because it provides immediate visual feedback for every interaction. Until now, our interface has been mostly static, but interactive applications need widgets that can change over time. That's where StatefulWidget becomes important. Unlike StatefulWidget, it allows the UI to rebuild whenever the application's state changes. Every button press updates the calculator's data, making StatefulWidget the perfect choice for projects that require dynamic content, live interactions, and continuous user feedback. The heart of this calculator is the setState method. Whenever a user taps a button, the application updates its internal data and immediately rebuilds the affected widgets. This automatic refresh makes the new expression and result appear instantly without restarting the app. Understanding setState is one of the biggest milestones for every Flutter beginner because it introduces the foundation of interactive and responsive application development. The calculator contains many buttons, and creating each one manually would make the code repetitive and difficult to manage. Flutter solves this using GridView.builder, which generates buttons dynamically in a clean grid layout. By specifying the number of columns and spacing, Flutter automatically arranges every button while keeping the interface responsive. This approach improves performance, reduces duplicate code, and makes future updates much easier. Every button inside the calculator has a specific purpose. Number buttons allow users to enter values. Operator buttons perform mathematical operations, while action buttons like AC, delete, decimal, and equals control the calculator's behavior. Each button listens for user interaction and sends its value to the calculator logic. This organized design keeps the code readable while creating a smooth and intuitive user experience. When a user taps any calculator button, Flutter immediately detects that interaction through the button's onPressed event. The selected value is then passed into the calculator logic, where it updates the current expression or performs a calculation. Finally, setState rebuilds the interface so the display reflects the latest information. This complete event flow is what makes Flutter applications feel fast, interactive, and responsive. Now let's understand what happens behind the scenes. The calculator logic receives every number and operator entered by the user, stores the current expression, validates the input, and prepares it for calculation. Instead of performing calculations randomly, the application follows a structured sequence to ensure accurate results. Separating the business logic from the user interface also keeps the project organized, reusable, and easier to maintain. The math parser is the brain of our calculator. It reads the complete mathematical expression, separates numbers and operators into individual tokens, follows operator precedence, and evaluates everything in the correct order. This ensures multiplication and division are performed before addition and subtraction, just like a real calculator. A dedicated parser provides accurate calculations, supports complex expressions, and makes the application much more reliable and professional. A great Flutter application should look perfect on every device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, desktop, or web browser. That's why responsive design is so important. Using widgets like Layout Builder, Media Query, Expanded, and flexible layouts, Flutter automatically adjusts the interface based on the available screen size. This approach creates a consistent user experience while ensuring our calculator remains clean, modern, and easy to use across all platforms. A beautiful application isn't just about functionality, it's also about user experience. In this project, we've enhanced the interface using Material 3 components, Glassmorphism Effects, rounded corners, soft shadows, smooth gradients, and subtle animations. These premium design elements make the calculator feel modern and professional while improving usability. Combining clean layouts with attractive visuals helps create applications that users enjoy using every day. Behind every professional Flutter application is a well-organized architecture. Our project separates the user interface, calculator logic, theme system, reusable widgets, and supporting components into dedicated sections. This modular structure improves readability, simplifies debugging, and makes future updates much easier. By following a clean architecture from the beginning, You'll be able to build larger Flutter applications with confidence and maintain them efficiently. Congratulations! You've successfully built a modern Flutter Calculator application from scratch. Throughout this project, you've learned StatefulWidget, setState, GridView.builder, responsive layouts, calculator logic, Material 3 design, and interactive user interfaces. This isn't just another beginner project. It's a strong foundation that prepares you for building more advanced Flutter applications using the same professional development principles. Let's quickly recap what we've learned in this episode. We built a premium calculator while exploring StatefulWidget, setState, GridView.builder, responsive layouts, button events, calculator logic, and Material 3 design. In the next episode, we'll build a beautiful to-do list application where you'll learn CRUD operations and shared preferences to save data locally. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue your Flutter journey with FuzzuTech.